Hey, it's Chris Westfall sending a little video to you from somewhere in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. We just spent the weekend in Nassau in the Bahamas, and I just want to take a minute to shoot a video answering the question that I hear most often, which is, what's required for me as an independent agent working from home to be successful in this business that is helping seniors with Medicare? Can I do it being a one-man show? Sorry about the breeze behind me. It's kind of windy, I'm sure. Just a couple of tips for you. If you're going to work alone, yes, you can absolutely do it. I did it starting from home and working alone, but it takes a lot of self-discipline. You absolutely have to be disciplined and making the decision ahead of time that you're going to do what it takes to get the thing done. See, a lot of people are in the employee mindset, which as long as somebody's telling them what to do, they've got the schedule, they've got their break time, they've got their coffee time, their smoke break, their lunch break, and they go home at a certain time, they're okay. But when you break out of that mentality and you're willing to then do what's required to be done to run your own business, then you start to see breakthroughs. One of the biggest things that I learned is whatever's most uncomfortable for you to do, that's where your breakthrough is. If it's calling people on the phone, that's what you need to do. You need to press on and do that because that's where your breakthrough is. If it's closing on the phone, you need to get in more opportunities to do closes. If you have difficulty with technology, you need to get in there and master the technology and practice it with other people or other computers on your own home network or with another friend somewhere else. Practice whatever it is that you feel the most difficult in your business so that you can get the discipline necessary to do it as much as possible so you can break through that. But it does take self-discipline to work on your own. You need to have the internal motivation to do what's required rather than wait until the bank account goes to zero or wait until somebody else tells you to do it. Because when you're working for yourself, it's just you that needs to tell you to do it, not everybody else. When you can get that mindset that you're going to do what it takes, there is no limit. And then as soon as you can, start outsourcing other parts of your business to other people, like the cold calling, the qualifying, and then later following up on the renewals with your clients. All those things can be outsourced later, but when you're starting off on your own, you need to put in the 8, 10, 12 hours a day, whatever it takes to get the business off and running. You know, it's like starting off an airplane off the runway. It takes 100% throttle to get it up, and then when you reach cruising altitude, you can just level off, and everything's working very smoothly. But you've got to give it the full power to get off the ground, to get the thing launched. Same with any business. You know, the good thing about being in our business is there's a low threshold to get started. What, $200 to get your insurance license? That's easy. Anybody can do that. The bad thing about our business is it's a low threshold to get started. It's only about $200 to get your insurance license. So far too many people get in without understanding that they're going to pay the cost or making the commitment that they're going to pay their dues to get their business off the ground. It's a long-term strategy. It's not get rich quick or anything like that. So I don't want to paint the picture that you can get this done so easy that you're not going to have to work for it. You absolutely are, but the payoff in helping other people is tremendous, and the income from helping enough other people is definitely worth it. So just a quick message from the middle of the Atlantic Ocean on the cruise to the Bahamas this weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.